herbs can I give my son for seizure? So when it comes to seizure, this is a neurological issue, okay, and it's directly adrenals directly affect this. So it most likely has adrenal issues. And if you look closely in his eyes, you probably see rings going around. We call them nerve rings. It indicates very weak nervous system, so weak adrenals. But also his gut may be congested. The solar plexus are there, and that controls nervous system function, as well as the back of the head, which is very likely and more likely in his case because you have seizures. So you have, remember, the mastoid medulla back here, cerebellum is back here as well. And so if you have mucus in the head region, it's going to affect the function of your nervous system. So for this scenario, what I would do if it were me, of course, go see your doctor and make sure you're on appropriate treatments, but to do it naturally, to heal naturally, I would be on 100% fruit, a high berry diet, because these are electric foods. They kind of kickstart the whole the nerves. That's what you need. And then you want to use herbs for the neurological brain and nerves. You call it neurological one. Use circulation herbs for the blood flow to the head region. Clean the gut. The head sits on the GI tract, so you want to make sure that the gut is clean. Get the kidneys filtered. There's a kidney issue. Fix the lymphatic system. Give endocrine glands, work on the pituitary gland. Could be the pituitary gland issue controlling, because it controls the other endocrine glands, okay? And I would use antispasmodic herbs. I'll use them probably every hour or two, just to control the nerves, okay? So antispasmodic, we call it calm, spasms and calm on our website, and I would use that every hour or so, just to calm things down, and this is how you clean the body, okay? The nervous system, you gotta work on your adrenals, your solar plexus, the gut, and the mucus in the head region, clean the head out.